Hello and welcome to the next video in the series for learning how to access LANDFIRE data. I'm Megan Dettenmeyer, LANDFIRE Communications Lead. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the LANDFIRE Product Service form to access LANDFIRE data. I'll download the data and insert it into an ARC project. Then I'll demonstrate how to find the CSV file on landfire.gov, bring it back into the ARC project, and join the two together. While you all are certainly capable of reading through the comprehensive LFPS documentation on your own and doing this process solo, I thought it might be helpful to get acquainted with the LFPS form together. Before we get started, it's important to note that using this streaming service option is intended for advanced users. We have other tutorials that are geared toward beginners in this space, and you can see those on your screen here. All right, so let's get started on the homepage, landfire.gov. Navigate to Get Data, locate LFPS, and from that point, you'll be brought to a LFPS form where we need to input 3 pieces of key data to access the LANDFIRE product of interest. And while there are many other optional fields below, the 3 that are necessary are layer, area of interest, and email. Today I want to grab the limited disturbance layer from 2024. If you cruise up to the top right corner, you'll notice the conveniently located Products tab and Docs tab. Clicking on the Docs tab will give you 2 options. One is the LFPS User Guide, which is an invaluable resource when navigating this LFPS form. The second is the LANDFIRE API. LANDFIRE recently added Swagger to this interface. In the context of the LANDFIRE API, Swagger is a web-based tool that provides an interactive interface for exploring, testing, and understanding the LANDFIRE Product Service API endpoints and their parameters. You can find it here. Clicking on the Products tab will display all the LANDFIRE products and their acronyms. This will allow you to easily toggle between the 2 windows and find the layers you're after. So for this example, I'll copy and paste the acronym exactly as it's written on the product table into the LFPS form. This is an important step. Be sure to pay attention to the product table, especially the far right columns that indicate what areas specific products and versions are available. Okay, so I want the layer for the entire map zone 35, so I just insert 35 in the area of interest section. You can see one of the neat features is the ability to preview the area that you're after, just to make sure you're grabbing the right data for the right place. Then you enter your email address at the bottom of the form, click Submit, and wait for the process to run. After the program has fetched your layers of interest, you'll click the button to download the folder. Unzip the contents of the folder and open an empty map in ArcGIS. Find your Downloads folder, locate the TIFF file, and drag the TIFF file into your empty map, and follow the prompts to calculate the statistics. Now we need to find the attribute table that's associated with the raster file. This is easy to do. So hop back over to landfire.gov, find the layer of interest page, and at the bottom of each product page, you'll find the associated CSV files. If you're curious the reason why we must join the CSV attribute table, it's because the LFPS is designed for multi-band geotiffs, and we cannot attach only one band's attributes to a multi-band geotiff. Once you locate the CSV of interest, download it, then drag it directly into your map. Use the simple Joins and Relates tool to join the attribute table directly to the raster. The input field you'll join the 2 on will be Value. After the tool runs, open the raster file and take a look at the attribute table to make sure the join was successful. Once you confirm that it was, you are all set.